Yo, what's up everybody? Good vibes since the beginning of today's video. As you already guessed, I'm in Kuta, Bali, Indonesia, Kuta beach. The weather is not so bad, but the vibe seems they are alright.
Bali safe.
Bali is very safe.
More.
No more,
Yeah,
no problem.
Bali. Bali.
Come to Bali, guys. Taxi, yeah. Taxi. Everything is ready for you guys. Meanwhile. They are very happy, very funny guys. Anyway, I'm come here especially to show you the few other bars because many of you asking about them. I'm gonna talk about the turtles in Bali, about development, and later I'm gonna go to German beach. But meanwhile, let's see how's the life here in Bali, Kuta, Indonesia, Kuta beach today. Yo, what's up? How you doing, guys? Yo, hello. So many cold beer.
No one drinking.
No one drinking.
No one drinking.
That's not good. What's your name? Rocky, yeah?
Rocky.
Rocky.
Bali Rocky, yeah. Okay, ciao.
Take care. Oh, I have already many. This one and this one. Maybe later, yeah? Maybe. That was the Rocky bar. This is the Grand Ina Hotel. Very hectic beginning of today's video, by the way. I hope so you're catching all. Another one. Hello everybody. Somebody asked me about Jimmy and Mothers. Hello. So let's see. Yo, what's up, brother? So yeah. Positive vibes. However, many of these warongs are not here today. That's maybe because of weather. That's maybe because of not many people. Yo, what's up? Simpson Bar. Simpson, the monkeys. Everybody knows me on this beach, yeah? Everybody knows the monkey, alright? Thank you, brother. Another one. There are some guests saying, yo, what's up? Thank you. Hello. And there's another one. Yo, what's up, brother? How you doing? Oh, I'm alright. Yo, what's up, doggo? And there's another one. And that's it. There is at the front the main gate to Kuta. Alright, so here next to just to the bars where the bar ski boys are there, there's the little sanctuary or turtle sanctuary, because maybe not many of you know, guys. Long time ago, like before development come to Bali in Kuta, especially like in 1970s, there was hundreds of maybe thousands of turtles walking literally freely on the beach, just here in Kuta beach. Unfortunately, because of the so much development comes in the 1970s, 80s, especially in Kuta area, they just disappear. Many of the turtles disappear, and currently we have only sanctuaries like this one, but literally 50 years ago was hundreds huge turtles walking here on the beach. And if you've been in Bali in that time and would you like to share what's actually really happened to them, I would really appreciate. I heard many stories from various people, but maybe I'm also looking to confirm these facts. If you're gonna tell me now in the comment section, please. Kuta Beach Sea Turtle Conservation Bar, supported by Coca-Cola, Quicksilver, and any other things. Grand Ina Hotel. It's this one. Look at this motorbike. This is Scoopy, but look at the wordings, what they are saying here. Very oh my god. Maybe I'm not gonna read what is exactly, but that's not good. But never give up on your dreams. Keep sleeping. And now I'm in the secret part of Kuta beach, which is called German beach area, and the beach looks like this. For many people, German beach is the secret part of the Kuta because this is where everything actually literally has started. However, it still keeps very local and could say virgin vibes, like it's not really developed, and it's close to the airport, and just over there is the Holiday Inn in Kuta, the hotel obviously, right? The kids having some school briefing pictures, not sure what they are doing over there, and so many fishermen boats here, some of them already even here, like looks like abundant. Approaching the Patra Bali Hotel. This is the one of the oldest hotel in Kuta Bali. Quite nice beachfront resort. Is the pool here. Beach is just here. On the other side is the airport. This is the closest beach resort to the airport. The entrance is actually just outside the parking area where is the airport. Just interesting fact, quite huge, seems open but also not that really busy. And this part of the Kuta is called German beach. I think I already once explained why it's like that. And this is where actually everything started. All development and all tourist industry in Kuta started here and then get super popular. Where is the Kuta beach, main Kuta gate, where is the Grand Ina Ramayana. That was the beginning, but that's everything started in 1970s, 1980s. Actually in 1980s, everything get popular. Not so long ago, like 40-50 years ago, where is Kuta beach, where is the Ramayana hotel. There was actually like simple village, fisherman village with the dirt roads, coconuts, palm trees everywhere, and just local houses some time to time. And there are still some videos on YouTube. I will try to put some screens so you can have an image how it was like 40-50 years ago, and now we can have like just memory how does it look now. And going more deep is Legian, Seminyak, Canggu. Everything is developing so much, so quick. Meanwhile, that's how it looks inside the resort. Over there is some workers, they have some sort of briefings. Beach unfortunately looks a little bit dirty. The rain season already started. So at the front is the airport. Also you can see the plane over there now. This wing over there, this is brand new construction. They extending the size of the terminal where, well, will be additional terminal or the parking lot for the planes. Entrance to the Patra Bali, quite big sign. And this beach was very kinda not that much popular as Kuta beach. Many expats calling this beach as the secret beach, because usually the mass tourists who are, let's say, in Kuta, they don't coming here. Unfortunately, well, already dirty because of the rain season. This area actually technically it's called Tuban. There's also a lot of stories about how they built the airport in 1960s, and well, but that's maybe some of you can comment, or maybe I'm gonna make a vlog about the airport one day. There was like a huge village of fishermen. We had something like Jimbaran. Where is the airport right now? Meanwhile, that was the little bit of story of development of Kuta. Basically 40 years ago there was simply almost nothing around. So this is how the Bali development is progressing so fast in the past 40 years. But actually the examples of it's not only Bali has developed, because well, 50 years ago in Dubai was not much. Even Singapore has changed a lot since 50 years. So that's the global development in general. The only sad things about Bali is there is actually, if you're gonna think, it was much beautiful before than it's now. But I'm just concerned about what's happened with the turtles in Bali. That's unbelievable. So many doggos, and the guy is taking care of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there are quite many. Beautiful hotel, but the outside the hotel seems like a little bit forgotten, isn't it? And here is a little bit of the German beach vibes. Here, honestly, it seems like the time just stuck in 1970s, 1980s. Only some bamboo wooden huts and some bars. And simply that's it. That's how it was everywhere in Kuta in 1970s. Maybe that's why many of the expats, old date expats, they really like to be here. Seems not today, but in general. And that's simply how does it look like. There is already Kuta beach if you're gonna go there, and the airport is over there. So many fisherman boats. Also the weather today is not so good. Maybe that's why it's not so busy. Anyway, local people seems they clean the beach already here. Little doggo, little warung with the corn, steer, very local. Some fisherman boats, people drinking arak probably there. Here are even some expats couple. So that's how it looks, simple life in German beach. Also a little bit of the local street food, let's say. Some small warungs, little bit much modern. But yeah, that belongs to the German beach called Coconut. And here is the main Pantai German square. Nowadays kids skating around. Not so bad. Tony Hawk, some ladies, girls around. and simply that's how it looks German beach right now. If you're gonna go into the direction where I'm going now, there is already the Amnoya and Discovery Mall and the proper Kuta. The only conclusion, my observation is that as the local people here is definitely less local people than in Kuta Beach, main Kuta Beach, and also seems like everybody here are shy, scary, maybe not that much open to someone or something, because maybe not so many people. It's quite hard to describe. So however, like nobody was as talkative or happy like in Kuta Beach here. That's my personal observation. Also here supposed to be a Majoli hotel, one of the oldest hotel in Kuta. Unfortunately, it's totally deserted. Not even a little bit, it's just totally abandoned, left abandoned. It looks pretty sad what's happened here. And I have another thoughts about whenever I'm passing places like this one. I have another thoughts as not the brightest future for Bali, unfortunately. Because if the Majoli hotel like this one just behind me, that was one of the first oldest hotels in Kuta, in the top where the tourism on the west coast, obviously because Sanor already existed at that time, but this one was because of the hype of Kuta Bali in general, and now everything moved into more west north, which is like first Kuta, Tuban, Kuta, Legian, Sabinjak, Petitenge, Canggu, Pererenan, and now going into everything more into the Tabanan direction, and this one is left abandoned, left apart after 40 years. So I don't want to think like that, but seems like everything is going as Kuta, and then Legian, there are next on the list to be abandoned ghost towns like this one, if nothing gonna change in the future. And this is what's happened actually with Tuban right now, which is part of Kuta. Comment below, what do you think about that? Do you think it's possible as Kuta, where this area of Kuta Beach and everything around looks like this one, like this hotel, maybe in next 10, 20 or 50 years? Comment below, what's your thoughts about today's part of Bali? And well, I think it's gonna be rainy soon, especially facing the Kuta Beach. This actually restaurant Majoli belongs to the Santipala hotel, just to be exact, because I made a mistake. But yeah, scary, really sad. I cannot even imagine what's gonna future brings to this area, really. Also, to people who are saying as Canggu is super busy and freedom and stuff like this, don't worry, I will go to Canggu, make a vlog there. I'm gonna go to La Brisa or any other beach club, and I'm gonna show you the crowd there. But Bali is not only Canggu, same like this is so much stories and so many places were just simply left apart. And of course, yeah, Canggu is like a capital city of Bali right now, right? Especially through the tourism. But what's happened with rest of it? That's also worth to show you guys. And okay, I don't know, I got some little bit emotional about Canggu. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. As always, see ya, take care.